What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Xman Co. Today we're going to do something together I haven't tried before. We're going to do French fries in this smoker. This French fries from a local store, the ones that you normally put in the oven. So no deep frying today. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil, just like that. And then we're going to do some salt. And then I've got 6-gun barbecue spice. The smoker at this stage is at 300 to 400 Fahrenheit. So let's put it over there. Fantastic. Okay, we're going to give it 10 minutes. Check it out, turn it, flip it upside down, give it another 10 minutes. That's what we're guessing. We haven't done this before. Let's see what we get. It's been 10 minutes. Let's have a look what we have. Let's check it out. Oh, there you go. You can see it's already browning. Okay, we're just going to turn them a little bit like this. Move them around. Give it another 10 minutes. Let's do that. There we go. Let's just open our fire as well. It's the very first time that we've been doing this. So what we've done is we've had it 10 minutes, we mix it up a little bit, another 15 minutes, 25 minutes. We were hoping for 20 minutes, but went a little bit longer. If you look there, you see that? Slightly crispy, very nice, very tasty. I get the wood smoke, tasting it. I would say another 5 minutes or so if you want it more crispy. That's entirely up to your preference. Guys, we didn't think this was going to work. It worked perfectly. If you like what you're doing, like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications. Click on that bell so you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. Comment below. Let us know if there's something you want us to try out. We don't mind. Till next time. Cheers. Let's dig in.